FragWatch here on an unusual setup up in the mountains. Right here, other arm, we have a hummingbird feeder right there. Birdhouse hummingbird feeder right here. Bunch of hummingbirds flying around. One of my mountain houses. Over here, we have a fire pit that's somewhere behind me. It's directly behind me, so you can't see it. Apologies. Sun's coming in. So I got about 30 more minutes before I can't record anymore. I have to flip the table around, and it's just uncomfortable. Anyways, today we're going to be unboxing the Pulsar Paraglide XL in orange. I think that might be one of the only colors it comes in. It's orange. Anyways, here we go. Let's Boy Scout this. A paring knife. Damn, that's some tough plastic. Okay. I can cleanly open this box. I did it! Yay! FragWatch is a special man. There we go. Rolled pad. Alright, there's the box. It's a box. This pad comes rolled. Already points knocked off for that. Oh man, this is a curly Q boy too. Holy moly. Alright, let's get all these other products out of here. Actually put this pad down. Bigger than I thought. Is this a 420 by 490? Let's look at the box. I think this is a 420 by 490 because it is much bigger than this Pengu. Ah man, that feels nice. Wow. Ooh, baby. What's going on here? I opened up PowerShell accidentally? Okay. Damn. Wow. That's... okay. I'm gonna like this a lot. I think this is supposed to be their balance pad. It's like nice and... yeah, man. Oh, I like this. Do you guys hear the... like, it's got this really tight woven... oh, I like this. Alright, that's my unboxing of the Pulsar Paraglide. I'm actually oddly excited to test this one. I wasn't expecting me to be excited about this at all. Alright. Got a hummingbird. Do you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it on my camera. There's one. Yeah. You see it. Early in the morning, in the evening, we'll have 20, 30 of them. They'll just fly around swarming that hummingbird feeder. We'll refill that thing probably, and it's a full liter hummingbird feeder. We'll refill it with nectar 2-3 times a day while we're up here. It's dope. Just have hummingbirds all around. They're like, hummingbirds are surprisingly friendly. Anyways, that's been my unboxing of the Pulsar Paraglide XL in orange. I'm gonna keep streaming. This is FragWatch. Meow.